Centuries ago, cities imported agriculture. Farms were siloed in the countryside. We kept our factories out of sight. But now, food grows everywhere. Our stalls stand under the same canopy of leaves as the tables where we eat. The mushrooms we collect sprout from the shaded edges of the city's structures. Produce is paid for with bioenergy, our currency, a cycle of exchange that never depletes. No hunger, no waste, no distance between what we eat and where it grows, or how it grows. The city gives to us, and we give back. Children grow up knowing that food is not something taken, distant or scarce, but something shared. We create what we need, celebrate what we've made. We enjoy the abundance together.
I once feared that in growing so old, we'd lose our purpose, waiting for others to create a world that no longer needed us. But we don't fade. Society doesn't push the past away. They seek wisdom like plants seek sunlight. After all these years, more than our ancestors had, our hands are still strong enough to craft. Our minds still sharp enough to share. Our hearts draw on our deep roots. We're inspired by seeds of culture planted before us. Those seeds become the stories that we tell. Our studios care for us as much as we care for them. Their systems know our history. They are subtle, intelligent. With a touch, the words enhance our work. Nothing here is wasted. Not time, not memory. We don't fade, we flourish.
Outside my childhood room was a little tree. It bent over my window, branches brushing against the ledge each morning, like it was reminding me we're growing up together. As I got older, I realized the whole city was like that, here for ages, but still changing. I watched how we reshaped the buildings, the streets, not just for ourselves, but for all living things. It was magical. To our children, animals are neighbors, friends, part of our community, essential. But cities weren't always this wild. We had to nurture this shared home, to fill it with joy, with light. Now, we watch our kids learn, inspired by their play. We delight in their discoveries. Imagining their future, we're full of hope.